Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best stud finders in 2023. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best stud finders. The 5th product on our list is Hanson 03040 Magnetic Stud Finder. Despite the various technological advancements of density scanning that many wall scanners use, there is nothing more reliable than a magnet finding a screw holding the sheetrock to the stud. That's why the Hanson Magnetic Stud Finder is great. Magnets don't get false readings, nor do they have a hard time differentiating between different materials. Either it is steel or it isn't. Magnets work great with sheetrock and even better with plaster and lath walls, as many older buildings have. The Hanson model also comes with a level, which allows you to ensure its point on the bottom is facing plumb straight down. What this product has in reliability, it lacks in any sort of additional capabilities. The Hanson will only find the screws in the studs, not the stud itself. So we were never sure if we were drilling into the center of the stud or not. Sheetrock screws are usually 12 to 16 inches apart, so it can take a bit of noodling around to find 2 screws to ensure the line of a stud. Still, for ease of use and no false positives, the Hanson Magnetic Stud Finder is quite handy. Up next, in 4th place, is the Black Plus Decker BullsEye Auto Leveling Laser. The Black Plus Decker BullsEye is a simple tool, but it does have a few great features that help with many projects that require a stud finder. First, the name comes from the large circle on top, where there's a hole just big enough for a pencil tip to mark the wall, ensuring accurate marks every time. There's also a live wire detection feature in the form of a small red light. Where it really shines, though, is the laser level. We found this feature incredibly helpful when hanging multiple picture frames, allowing us to line up nails and hangers with precision across a room. The laser is broad enough to work on textured sheetrock as well, which not every laser level is. The Black Plus Decker tool is quite bulky and, as a result, can be a bit cumbersome to use. It also lacks a sensitive sensor, forcing us to drag it across the wall slower than some of the other models we tested. Still, it was our favorite for hanging a bunch of picture frames, and we'd recommend it if you want a level and a stud finder in one tool. The 3rd product on our list is the Franklin Sensors ProSensor T13. The Franklin Sensors ProSensor T13 proved to be reliable and accurate in our tests, as well as one of the easiest to use. Instead of a screen that lights up when over a stud or stud edge, the ProSensor has a bar of lights that shine when directly over a stud or object. To avoid near misses, the lights always air on the inside of a stud. We loved that it shows the entire stud as well as the center marking in a single view, which could help when there are non-standard sized studs behind the sheetrock. It also has a level, a ruler, and a straight edge to make accurate marks on the wall. Of all the stud finders that we tested, this was the one we went back to after testing was over to complete our home projects. As much as we like the display and straight edge, its design requires you to pinch the device while holding the power button. Unlike most other products in this review, the ProSensor T13 is oriented horizontally. Some testers found it awkward to hold at odd angles, such as on a ladder when locating ceiling joists. It also lacks AC power and metal identification, though it does detect those objects. Despite those drawbacks, we believe the ease of use and accuracy of the Franklin T13 makes it an excellent choice. The 2nd product on our list is the Zircon MultiScanner A200. The Zircon MultiScanner A200 is an excellent tool that is easy to use, accurate, and won't break the bank. The A200 has modes to detect wood, metal, and live wires, as well as a deep scan mode for penetrating thick walls. Its center marking was dead center in our tests, and though the edge sensing was off by a little, it erred on the inside, so you'll still hit your stud. Thanks to its large illuminated screen, marking notch, and illuminated arrow that's projected onto the wall, using the Zircon in the field was easy, even in dark or awkward positions. The metal and AC modes of the Zircon A200 worked well enough, though it tended to pick up on both from several inches away. If you need to accurately locate metal, you can recalibrate the A200 overtop of metal objects to decrease sensitivity and more accurately mark metal objects. While it has an ergonomic shape that's comfortable to hold with your right hand, it's less than ideal for your left, although still easy to use and mark accurately either way. Despite its shortcomings, the A200 is well suited to most home projects while keeping costs and learning curves down. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Bosch GMS120 Digital Multi-Scanner. The Bosch Digital Multi-Scanner GMS120 is a powerhouse of a wall scanner. It has 3 modes: wood, metal, and electrical power, and is quite accurate with all 3. In addition to the 3 scan modes, the Bosch has a center finder for studs, a magnetic sensor to show screws and other metal, and a ring that changes color depending on how close you are to the material you're seeking. The light-up ring changes from green, no stud sensed, to yellow, close, to red, directly on top of a stud. The ring is also hollow, allowing accurate marks right in the center of the sensor. For bonus points, the ring is wide enough to accept a permanent marker if that's your writing implement of choice. We appreciated not having to hold any buttons down to use it, which was more comfortable in awkward positions, like looking for ceiling joists. We also love the light-up screen, which made it easy to use in crawl spaces or other dimly lit areas. On the downside, we wish the device was a bit smaller. As it is, it's quite bulky and takes up most of a pocket on a tool belt. Furthermore, though its accuracy is admirable, the Bosch takes 3 passes of an object in order to accurately detect its location. Without the multiple passes, it can be off by enough to miss the stud completely. Despite its bulk and learning curve, the Bosch GMS120 is accurate, multi-use, and easy to read. For these reasons, it's our favorite all-around product we've tested. That's all for our list of the 5 best stud finders on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.